Hello everyone, this is Mohsin. We are here to discuss variables and data types in C with memory representation. Introduction to variables. A variable is a named location in memory used to store data. Each variable has a data type that defines the type of value it can hold. Variables must be declared before use. Variable declaration syntax is data type and variable name. Example int. Int is a data type, age is a variable name, and we are assigning 25 to age. Means int age equals to 25 is a variable. Same float is a data type, length is a variable name, and 5.8 is a value that we are assigning to length. Char is a data type, grade is a variable name, and assigning a to a grade. Data types in C. There are many data types like int, float, double, char, void. Int is a integer data type that contains 4 bytes. Float is a floating point that contains 4 bytes. Double is a double precision floating point that contains 8 bytes. Char is a character that contains 1 byte. Void contains no value. Memory representation for int. Int is, int is a data type, x is a variable name, and 25 is the value that we are assigning to the x. This is the assignment operator. Now memory is a 4 bytes. It contains 4 bytes. Each bytes has 8 bits like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. These are 8 bits means 1 byte. So this 1 byte, 2 bytes, 3 bytes and 4 bytes. So this is the size of integer. Each box represents 1 byte 8 bits. Now memory representation for char data type. So this is the data type char and the variable name is ch. We are assigning a to ch. Memory is 1 byte, so a is the size of a is 1 byte. ASCII value of a is 65, so the value of 65 is in binary 01000001. Basic data types in C. There are many data types like integer types, floating types, character types. So we are discussing integer types. The data type for integer is int, short, long, long, long. Int usually 4 bytes, range from this to this. For short, usually 2 bytes, range from this to this. For long, usually 4 bytes, sometimes 8 bytes on 64 bits. For long, usually 8 bytes, range from this to this. Floating point types. If we have to use in numbers in decimals like 5.4, 5.9, 10.5, so we will use data type float, double, long double. So for float, this is 4 bytes, single precision, approx 6 to 7 decimal digits, and the double 8 bytes, double precision, approx 15 to 16 decimal digits. After decimal we can use 15 to 16 digits in double, but in float only 6 to 7 digits. For long double 10, 12 or 16 bytes. The size of long double is 10 bytes, 12 bytes or 16 bytes, depends on the compiler. Extended precision, so the uh, decimal digits will be more than double. Now basic data types in C. This is character type. We have discussed integer type and floating type. Now we are discussing character type. So this is the data type char. The size of char is 1 byte. It stores a single character or small integer. The range of char is from this to this for signed char. If the char is unsigned, so the value will be 0 to 255. Now same for void type. Void contains no value, used for functions that don't return anything or for generic pointers. Like void, this is the sign of pointer. Summary. Variables are memory locations with names. Data types define the kind of value stored. Int, char, float, double are basic data types. Memory representation varies with data type. Thanks. Comment if any query, like and subscribe.